Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Zoom client on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Zoom download, and the first link which will appear here will be from zoom.us/download. So just click on this link. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video also, so you can directly come to this website by clicking on the link. So I'm going to just click on agree and proceed and then close this, and now you can straight away see this download button for your Windows operating system. If you want to install a Zoom plugin for your Microsoft Outlook app, you can click on this download button. You also have the option for the Zoom plugin for the IBM Notes, and you have the Zoom extension for your Chrome or your Firefox browsers. You also have some other options here, so whatever option is fit for you, you can just select that option. But for now we want to download Zoom on our Windows 10 operating system, so we just need to click on the first option, which is Zoom client for meetings. So I'm going to just click on this download option, which is going to download this Zoom installer.exe file. And once this executable file is downloaded, I'm going to just click on this executable file, and I'm going to minimize the browser, which is going to just initialize this Zoom installer. Here just click on yes, and the installation will be finished in few seconds. So the installation is really fast. You just need to wait for a few seconds, and now you can see this Zoom window. So how easy it is to install Zoom on your Windows operating system. Now if you want to join a meeting, you just click on the join a meeting button. So here you just need to give your meeting ID or the personal link which is sent to you, and here you can set your name so that other members can see your name. Now if you want to sign in to your Zoom application, I can just click on cancel and then click on sign in, and here you have the option to sign in with your Google account or your Facebook account. Also you have the option to create your new account with your private email address. I have already created a Zoom account, so I will just provide my email ID and password. You can also check this checkbox which says keep me signed in, and then click on sign in. And now it says we have updated our terms and policies, so just click on continue, and now you can see this Zoom client on your Windows 10 operating system. So here you have the option to create a new meeting, join a meeting, you can see the schedule, and also you can share your screen. Also you have the option to see the chats here, and then you have the option to see the meetings and the contacts. So this is how you can download and install Zoom client on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.